Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial from Vintage Radar. Today I'm going to show you how to turn on and off both the alarm and the beeping sound on your Casio Illuminator watch. Today's model is going to be the W756, but this tutorial is going to work for other watches as well. As you can see right here on the top right corner, we can see AL from the alarm, and SIG, this is going to be the hourly beep. If you see these signs, so this extra writing on your main display, this means that both functions are now turned on. If we want to turn them off, what we want to do is to press the mode button until we arrive at the settings of the alarm. As you can see, they are being displayed on all of these displays, so this means that they are on. Here where we have the alarm, without setting the alarm, what we want to do is to press the start-stop button. As you can see, if both were activated, if you press the start-stop button once, they are both going to be deactivated. If I press it once, the alarm is going to be on. If I press the start-stop button again, the SIG, so the hourly beep, is going to be on. If I press it again, both features, so both sounds, are going to be now on. And if I press it once again, both functions are going to be off. In case you want both features to be deactivated, so both sounds, you want none of these extra signs to appear on your display. Now if I press the mode button once again in order to arrive in my home screen, so where I have the time and date displayed, you can see that now both of these signs have disappeared. In case you want to watch the full guide with all the functions and features of the Casio Illuminator, in my case the W756, I'm going to leave a link in the description box below, so make sure to check it out. In case you want to purchase your first vintage watch, make sure to check out our website vintageradar.com, because we have thousands of vintage watches for sale, link in the description box below. If you enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to this YouTube channel, it really means a lot and it helps the channel grow, and I'm going to see you guys in the next video.